Alright, and this is the selfie camera on the Z Fold 4 compared against the Z Fold 3, and I'm using the camera, the regular camera on the cover screen, not the fancy under display camera. So the camera that I'm using right now can record at 4K resolution, which is what I'm using, and the quality looks pretty good. But let me switch to the under display camera and see if that results in a worse quality. So let's check that out. Alright guys, so right now I'm using the under display cameras on both the Z Fold 4 and the Z Fold 3. So let me know if there is an actual difference in the recording quality. It's super windy, so you might not be able to hear me well. But anyway, this guys is the under display camera, and definitely the quality seems worse compared to the regular selfie camera. But how much worse? That is for you to tell me.